a long time to know what I wanted, and now I do, and I will wait on you. It took a long time to know what I needed, and now it's clear whenever you are near. Forever holding out for you. It took a long time to find what I was looking for, but when it did, it all fit together. It took a long time.
Good morning.
To see what was in
Ngayong araw ay pupunta kami ng beach. At ito yung sauna nila, oh. Sauna. Pumunta tayo ng beach. Titignan natin ang laman dito. Daanan pala. Daanan, no. Kaso pangit ang panahon natin ngayon, hindi mainit. Pero ayos lang para hindi tayo masunog. Dito tayo, dito mababa. Pwede kaya maligo dito. Katikim din yung katawan natin ng dagat. Nandun. Bye-bye na lang natin to para medyo natin yung... Dito ako, wait lang. Ganda men, no? Lakas ng alon, no? Wow! Ganda nun. Ganda nun, men. Itong alon, no? Ganda ng ate, oh. Dali, dito tayo. Sa may dulo. Diyan, dito tayo sa may plug para ayos. Kita talaga na, no? Kita talaga na magpunta tayo ng ibang bansa. O may plug eh. May ibang plug eh. Ayos na. Doon, ganito ng view. Saan ba tayo dito? Doon sa dulo. Ito na kaya sa natin yun. Yun lang ang ano talaga sa pag nag-travel mag-isa. Wala kang magandang picture. Ay sa ikaw sa harap yung mga ganun video, mga view. Pero pag ikaw mismo walang magpi-picture sa'yo eh. Meron din dito basketball court, oh. Basketball court. Ang hinahanap namin yung liguan. Dito, maganda dito yata. Yan, maraming nililigo doon, oh. Tatalo na ako. Malalim yan, men, bato. Labig. Bawat fight. Ako buti. Ang lamig. Ang lamig insan. Ang lamig. Grabe. Grabe. Magkano mo yung lamig. Hindi naman sobra. Nandun sila oh. Grabe ang lamig. Tara.
Stepping out of the shadow in my room, caught between cowboy clouds and misty moon. Silver dress, sparkle lights, crystal blue. I was lost to the menace of the mind, sucker punched by most of my life. Told myself tripped on love and fell, shook me out my shell. Now I know you well. Tripped on love and fell, you shook me out my shell. Now I know you well. I fell for you. I fell for you. Life can switch from light to dark. Loving you, that's the easy part. I can do this with all my heart. Tripped on love and fell, you shook me out my shell. Now I know you well. Tripped on love and fell, you shook me out my shell. Now I know you well. I fell for you. I fell for you.
Yun, nakatikim din ng dagat. Katawa natin oh. Ayos. Angas. Ha? Ang babaw. Ang babaw, brother. Doon kaya sa tinalunan ko, tapos rangay ka na lang dito. Ha? Hindi ako tatalon. Parang natakot na ako sa gon, naglamig na. Takot na ako sa tubig. Lubat na. Ganto kami maglakad sa dito. Kaya lang nakaganto insan, no? Itim mo na insan.
Good style dyan, insan.
Yan. Guys, nandito na kami sa ano tawag ito? Sea organ. Sea organ. Stick guys, stick. Ano minsan? May na target ka na dyan minsan? Dito. Ay dito pala sa uwi na kami. Sakay muna tayo. Oh. Basta? Kaya na ngayon. Good morning. Ladala?
Gamitin mo sa Malaysia,
Oh, Grab. Ano? Mura lang sa Malaysia, no? Ano, papasok na tayo? Malamig eh. Tara, pasok na tayo.
Love the adventures that I have. I just like to have a place to.
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Zadar Airport. Dito kami sa duty free. Ayan sila namimili. Ayan, Insan, ayos ka lang dyan? Ayos ka lang dyan? Sunrise, oh, ang ganda, oh. Sunrise. Ito yung ano nila, airport. Maliit lang. Okay guys, balik na tayo ng Hungary. At mamayang gabi may pasok na ako. Pagdating, pahinga lang ng konti at sabak na naman tayo sa trabaho. So, ayun. Hanggang dito lang tayo at salamat sa panonood. Peace out!
A plane goes in an hour and I have to go, but I'll leave you this short letter just to let you know that I would like you to be my home and take you everywhere I go. So if you come with me, I'll never leave you alone. And if we find a place to build our home and tell our friends the stories of our journey, please come with me. And I love the adventures that I have. Love the adventures that I like to have a place to. I just like to have a place to come back. A warm house of friends to tell them. Let me tell them my story. I'd really like someone to call me back now. Yes, I really like someone to call me back now. Next time I pack my I'm packing my bag. And I love the adventures that I have. I just like someone to hold my hand. Next time I pack my bag.